I'm Realtor Erica Swallow, and this is the Best in the Nest series, featuring the best local businesses in Western Massachusetts and the Pioneer Valley. We're on site with Home and Hearth Remodeling and Restoration, one of my favorite general contractors in the area. Today, you'll meet owner Dave Coyne and his crew as they kick off a home addition.
Hi, I'm Dave Coyne, owner with Home and Hearth Remodeling, and we're here today in Longmeadow on the site of one of our current projects where we're building a family room addition onto this home, as well as doing some interior remodeling work. As you can see, we've got the foundation installed, we're in the middle of framing, and as soon as we've got the exterior shell tightened up from the elements, we'll begin work on the interior finishing that's going to include some work on the rest of the first floor, moving a bathroom, finishing some additional rooms, doing some flooring, as well as making a beautiful new family room.
If you're looking for craftsmen who care, Dave and his crew have a knack for quality, whether that's historic or a new build.
The types of projects Home and Hearth focuses on include kitchens, additions, bathrooms, decks, garages, basements, pretty much anything somebody needs on their home. And even if it's a service that we can't provide or don't provide, our customers know that if they call us, we'll find a trusted partner who can.
I'm a happy Home and Hearth customer myself. They refinished my basement, helping me add new living space to my historic Forest Park home.
I think what sets us apart at Home and Hearth is really the level of trust and confidence that we create with our customers. Too many customers have had bad experience with contractors in the past, or have heard of their friends having bad experiences, being taken advantage of, paying too much for bad work, or paying a deposit to a contractor who simply disappears. We don't do that. When our customers meet us, they quickly understand the level of our expertise, and with the transparency we bring, it creates a high degree of confidence for the customers, creating a dynamic where we're part of the same team that they're on.
If you're looking to remodel, add on, or build, called Home and Hearth Remodeling and Restoration. They do it all, and they're one of the best in the nest.